Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. A sudden device ban error appears while using your Snapchat and you're unsure why it happened or how to resolve it. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue on your device. Let's go. Your device might be banned from Snapchat because an automatic system saw something suspicious. This could be due to strange login activity or someone sending spam from your device. Maybe also you have sent too many snaps in a short time or followed a bunch of people, which looks like spam to Snapchat. Snapchat wants to keep everyone safe by blocking anything that looks risky. If you're dealing with a Snapchat device ban, there are several workarounds you might consider to try and regain access to your account or mitigate the ban's effects. To begin with, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. To update, on your App Store, search for Snapchat and see if there's an update available, then tap on it. Ensuring that your Snapchat app is up to date is generally a good practice, as updates can include bug fixes and improvements that might indirectly affect issues related to bans. If updating the app didn't work, adjusting the date and time settings on your device is a commonly suggested method to potentially resolve a Snapchat device ban. The idea is that changing these settings might help clear any device-related issues and restore access to the app. Remove Snapchat first from your device by pressing the application, then choose Delete App from the options and confirm it. After uninstalling, restart your device. Now, to adjust the date and time, go to Settings. Click General. Then Date and Time. You can set the date 1 month ahead or enable it to set automatically. Then, download and install the Snapchat app again from the App Store. Another potential workaround is using a different device. A device ban is typically tied to the unique identifier of the specific device that violated Snapchat's terms of service. Therefore, logging into your Snapchat account from a different device may allow you to access the service again. Reaching out to Snapchat's support team to explain your situation and ask for assistance can be another path. Visit Snapchat's Submit a Request page through their support website. You can find the link above or in the description box below. Choose the option that best describes your issue. Select I can't access my account. Then, my account is locked. There will be a message with regards to the issue. Scroll down, then click the hyperlink Account Site. Sign in to your Snapchat account. After signing in, a button Unlock will appear under your account. Tap on it and proceed to unlock your account. You can also reach out to Snapchat on Twitter by directly sending them a message @SnapchatSupport with your issue for quick assistance. However, Snapchat device bans are not permanent and usually last for about 6 months. If you're not in a rush to get back on, waiting for the ban to lift naturally is an option. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.